I've done everything to sustain this party in the past, and I'm still a member of the NPP. The oyerepa no, Omar Wontumi National Television, Masaki Kevin Taylor. My lawyers will write, and maybe the party, a bankrupted party, no, because me, I don't joke with my NPP. I'm a full member, I have a card, and for years, in Jina Baby and the Enkasi Mejai party, no, then you join a party, Sana Mr. join a party, no, it will be any 2 million, because I say, my Pam Kevin Taylor free party. If you don't want my lawyers to write to you people, then shut up. After all these things, and even during Kofo's time, now load shedding, and that conversation we'll have it later. Because me say, Napo, because I'm paying you Napo, eka say, the government should shut up and fix their power challenges, fix power crisis, and stop engaging in propaganda. Time Kofo bosika we there was load shedding. Kofo power. 2006, 7, 8. Na Dumso, na Kufuor did not manage Dumso. He never did and didn't care. Because you see, when you go back into the records, you will see clearly, J.A. Kufuor met the Council of Elders. President explained why load shedding. Date show again. Saturday, 23rd December 2006. As far back as 2006, there was load shedding. There was Dumso. Now, me busam one question, say, you people to show me one monumental project Kufuor Iron or Santimima or the NHIA, Kwasia, NHIA monumental project. Mwe Jimmy, mo NPP for mwe Jimmy. Me say, Kufuor ya Santiniba wedi mokodin chine. Mon chine ma de mienu, ba ku mienu a waye, a bebo ni ding, se we na Kufuor si ya dan ya eboa infrastructure or say Kufuor de NHIA by Kwasia NHIA project. And you foolish people don't even understand questions. J. Kufuor, time of Teso 2006. President explains why load shedding Okoshia Council of State afena or kanenu munsem or see gas Nigeria for and then for gas be buy and I can need dum ye di bro we are this is Kufuor. Let me read the story to you. Kwasia for and I keep telling Ghana for me NPP for me what time brutal. So mo Jimmy am to wish am sana ma bom insem. The current load shedding exercise is not as a result of lack of foresight or negligence on the part of the Electricity Company of Ghana and the Volta River Authority, that's VRA, says President J.A. Kufuor. President Kufuor said this on Thursday in his remarks at the 4th quarterly meeting with members of the Council of States at the Castle. Now, the situation, he said, would not have occurred but for some disturbance in Nigeria. Gas would have been pumped to operationalize the West African gas pipeline, that is the WACP project, to augment the Akosombo Dam. Now, the load shedding will be suspended during the Christmas festivities and on March 6th next year, and then stopped completely by the first quarter of next year when the West African gas pipeline project becomes operational. He said his assurance stemmed from reports he had received from both the Volta River Authority and the Electricity Company of Ghana. He therefore appealed to Ghanaians to bear with the load shedding situation as it would not be forever. This is J.A. Kufuor, 2006. Obetu Dumso, Wontumi Ansovu Dumso, non and Ghana Air redenomination 2008, 2007. The nonsense. Mobese nyina ya moa. Ne hu ya krokro Kufuor se hwa. Into Kufuor do be president no. Wa mokro no da. Meme yanka Kufuor asem. Mona mu Kufuor so disabled. I don't see him as a disabled. I see Kufuor as an able man. Just that sometimes he's lazy to work. That's it. Because I've seen Kufuor walk to 2-4 to shake his hand before. That is a strong man. Into mo Jimmy na say mo pese mo pia Kufuor kwese baby a. Mo na mo pia kwese. But criticizing Kufuor, I will never stop doing it because the fact clearly shows that Kufuor is corrupt. He's not supposed to be given that space. Me MPP ni cha mu bebre me MPP ni cha mu bebre. Mo Jimmy entina ba wo mia na Kufuor do madada mo abesi ha. Mo Jimmy entina madru ha ne. So munim nyansa, you understand say MPP na mutim no omo hu musa mo ye moa. Now me wie Kufuor MPP for mo nko. Dia ka no eye Ghana fo nyansa fo na betie. Now there are some stories so I'm per say ye di hu dwuma quick. Oral oral na matino almost so koso na ede na sisi a AC oral cases in court this week and abandoned person muhu yehu oral cases na omo receive ya omo de ma attorney general say bi omo de omo hu say boni bi wom na onhwem say edisi de be court o say de court o say Ghana 40 ase NPP for na jandam say oral the end so omo office ho unhu say obi abokro no a say bi oye Ghana ni oye civilian onye lawyer only legal eye obi o ha ade bi o ye no wajiri be o say kro no na obo enti wajiri mu no because unni sa legal eye no beka say obo kro no obe report am oral so be assess ka say we dey yehu ni ye mom fama attorney general nsaka it is attorney general who decides the same way or say prosecutor say this prosecute we dey ye court ye be di for and e be di bem enti oral no dey obodjuma ne say omo be collect information free ho na omo dey am attorney general no obusan say we dey betuma akwa na ntumi nko enti say wo the information ama oral na oral e dey am attorney general na attorney general ka say we dey ye ntumi fa nko no enkyere say oral enye ne djuma so far oral e wo court say oral information omo dey am attorney general no ebi akopie court also tia say enya ade bia oral de be attorney general bia na prosecute enya information bia oral nsabeka omo betam de attorney general bia na say attorney general de court because ebia oral ni so no asem attorney general betumi di bem na so attorney general saka na owe asem no na one ni team ne tena se na omo the legal brain no ehwe asem mu omo tumu say we de ye kwa ye ntumi wini enti oya Ghana ni a mewo bi kan just say na oral so omo fight corruption na oral omo job ni say uhu say obi bokro no obi di dwum na wo ngina so a fama oral nsaka they are just a conduit, they are just a vessel, they are just a platformer ubetumi ede wasama for officially manakoka attorney general nsa enti oral nsaka normally I'm attorney general. It is up to the attorney general to weigh it and say where the court ye bedi bim and I say bedi for until nobody can blame oral. Oral job is just aiding the attorney general to get information that is prosecutorable. Into information ko attorney general na what that legal eye ono na yama ne tumia or what sa legal brains so betima ka say we dey betima ko court we dey ko be wini and we ko be lose. Into memo bi antina radio so and our TV so enka say oral and this focus say oral into oral and winning case oral does not go to court. Oral just transfers data information they get, they give it to attorney general. So attorney general says some na say emu nye dura obetima ka che oral say mean to mean prosecute. Into memo obia misinforming disinforming obia e Ghana say oral nye de juma oral is there. So all the information come out for come on they will transfer it to attorney general. Attorney general saka na say or say prosecutor be catch oral. So all to mean prosecutor be say no we ye kwa ye be bim ye be for if you say engineer so no form and the information na me ba be kire no information that Ghana for them are oral a ebeka omonsa omuso hwe mu ka say we de enkwan wo ho ye fan come attorney general hwe so the nani ne hwe ni legal eye ne hwe na say engineer so no betuma gina so court a o de beko no bebre e wo court nde mumye ndwedwa bi mu nkiram na obia enti ase Monday and the Monday oral cases somebody come attorney general ebi wo court ebi ne den criminal court 4 Republic versus Asamoah and Ano Sky Train cases no oral for the 4 de come attorney general hwem no hu say we de emu odu into betima prosecute into when be our court and the omoko ho court in there 10 a.m. and anopa and omoko ho court and they also omoko 10:30 criminal court 1 Republic versus Akonta mining and 3 others Nimri Forest Reserve mining case cross examination of first prosecution and the munyamu hu chema Wontumi when you oral case am transfer come attorney general of Shebukas we dey nyina so also they betumi akokot no and the chema Wontumi so ekọ court ema sebio in seminal cross examination no ekọ so ebo ochina so case wo ho ni nyina ye cases e dey come the oral omofo dey come attorney general ohun say nyina so also da ko gina court ochina Tuesday May 12 or say anopa 10 specialized court 1 Republic versus Kobana Boahene and 2 others cyber security software scandal into ochina cases will be or court or chanopa anopa 10 o'clock attorney general court Kobana Boahene case no now any cross examination of said prosecution witness into oma prosecutor no Kobana Boahene and then call for na prosecutor no to no third prosecution witness no on na court na dakem ochina ewia 12 no criminal court 4 Republic versus Asamoah and Ano SkyTrain case no Ochina Tuesday no yewesa frebi e court Ochina Tuesday no and so Ochina court koso Wukwada ana Wednesday no court bekoso ni nyina oral cases or the come attorney general o same or separate mu say bi won gina so a wo de court no almost Wednesday so meko court 9:30 a.m. Criminal Court 1 Republic versus Akonta Mining and 3 others Nimri Forest Reserve illegal mining case cross examination of first prosecution enti Wukwada so Wontumi case no or say attorney general ebeko court 10 o'clock 9:30 anopa Wednesday, Criminal Court 1. 10 a.m. The same Wednesday, no, Specialized Court 1, Republic versus Boahene and 2 others, cyber security software scandal. And also, Wednesday, no, Boahene case, no, Ebesako Court. And examination of third prosecution witness, cross examination, so. Now, Thursday, so on Meko Court. Thursday, no, May 14th, Anopa 10, Specialized Court 1, Republic versus Boahene and 2 others, cyber security software, and also cross examination of third prosecution witness. And also Thursday, Meko Court. Now, Thursday, no, 2 p.m., Criminal Court 4, Republic versus Bernard Njibo Siakon, Chairman Wontumi, and 2 others. Samra Boy illegal mining case, no, case management conference for the defense. Inti, we na wiki, so where the IT say GPL and Ghana Premiership fixtures no wiki court cases are no. Remember, oral the omo send there information me about government official bia obo chrono or data or information fakuma oral. Sebio oral no omo prosecute omo de omo saka beka say yeda ase omo hwem omo so me fakuma attorney general sa attorney general nyansem no or the legal eye ne hwe no hu engineer so beko court obeko court say engineer so ni so attorney general beka che oral say ultimate court intenye oral and prosecute. Oral is just helping to transmit your information to the attorney general to first assess the situation, assess allegations no before they make a decision whether to go to court or not. Until you sending your information to oral, it's not automatic that that case will be prosecuted by attorney general. The attorney general will have to look at the case and see the chances of Ghana winning that case. And that case, we are attorney general between court say or defend it and I say or prosecute it, we might end up losing a lot. Until this week fixtures no any while person court no Monday 10 a.m. now Tuesday 10 a.m. now Wednesday 9:30 a.m. now and a Thursday 10 a.m. now court. Ninyina Criminal Court 4 and a Specialized Court 1. Yes, our Specialized Court 1 and a Criminal Court 1. So our cases we na course in 2% of case no etia do hontem na court na ho na yehu de eko na also tenyo ma biase. Now I will sack you.
Sack me. It's too much. Every day they sack. I'm standing here. Sack me. If you sack me, I'll go my hometown.
My brother won't power me. What power me? Still MPP. Me jinem. Me jinemo. Obian to me power me free party. Me jinem hamatadi. Nefe. Council of State was a National Executive Council for Pegini Bako. The bar Ghana and say na me man ba me residents. And I say Kevin, you know something? I'm after be cancel. You need penny for party. The way no eye party na say so why the way na party no ba omian na kron for no be say party no atade ehye mi won say foot soldier bi hye bi e neck for na hye one of them penny for more neck mu no decide we mame any eche we nyina o say Kevin jeko na hye o mame kala nyoma bebre Kevin bua party no party mu penny for won say enkwase fom go TikTok ehia fom be wifu mu kankan o so bi hye bi o hyere na pam mame o say Kevin je the way no ye nyina ye support o party ni GCA na yamwa na ewifo wentumi nye party ni ye ba omiane na yira kronfo we fu like memmo mo chance no etimi ade am ye na meje party no enti sak ne de menti yo mo ye sak bi mama me lawyers atwrabre mo any day I would see you people make a statement and this goes to the chairman Amunibi, this goes to the general secretary say monsieur bow na go tena baby ka say we have sacked and tell any I will let my lawyers write to you people. Because I have paid dues in this party. I have done everything to sustain this party in the past. And I'm still a member of the NPP. Joya Bermano, Omar Bontime National Television, Masaki Kevin Taylor. My lawyers will write, and maybe the party, may bankrupt the party. No? Because me, I don't joke with my NPP. I'm a full member. I have a card. And for years, Minjina Baby da Enkasi Mejai party. No? Send your mo join a party, sana me so join a party no. It will be any to me say my pam Kevin Taylor free party. If you don't want my lawyers to write to you people, then shut up and feel the change. And that is what is going to happen from today. Nobody in the party, and I'm saying in authority, or be any party also be an TV so, and answer or your penny or party say, I'm talking about the neck to the general secretary. You don't have a national chairman, I understand. But from the neck to the general secretary, I don't want to see or hear anybody. Because if you dare me, I'm going to sue. I am not joking, and these are real facts. It is a warning I'm sending to the party leadership. And I'm talking to the neck and the general secretary. Musionka obi nonka say my babon tini biemu to come and say Masaki Kevin Taylor, I will sue. And if I sue, you people know I will condemn and destroy the party. My last warning to you people. You know, I don't give them any attention. Obi a only neck or a general secretary. Anybody below that, I don't give attention to such people. The only people I listen to Omokasa, Nipo party neck, and the general secretary, because you don't have a national chairman. But anybody below, I don't respond to animals. Me, anybody below neck, me who say chamwa. Anybody below neck in the NPP, me who say yaboa. So I don't respond to such people. I only respond to neck and the general secretary. So this is something I am sending to the party. I have my lawyers on standby. Do I have Bema Utredi at the seminar? Ombra Bontini say, I'm a member of the NEC. I am the general secretary. Kevin Taylor has been sacked. No more here besi. Because you have party na more. Yeah, co-constituency meetings na more. In 9. All right. Everyday sack. I want to put this out there. Guy, where your friend Kwesimre, he's a criminal. He's a fraudster. This boy or this guy is walking around the nation or catch Ghana for say, oh, he's into IT, he's into computer installation, what digital, he's a criminal. Nobody should do business with this criminal. His name is Kwesimre. Every single day I'll put his face on my TV. This guy is a criminal or a crime for. He's very cunning. Oba be general office, oba be shiao, oba creating impression be to team say, our deal be a ekoso, our computers, our servers, our IT DND, or the pictures be church. He's a fraudster. This guy, Nididi Kwesimre, a very dangerous individual. He has duped a lot of Ghanaians. So whether you're a Ghanaian or a foreigner in Ghana, working in the IT field, establishing of TV or networking or whatever that is got to do with telecommunication, nobody should work with this man. He's a criminal. He's a fraudster. So he will come and tell you things. Oh, I call Liberia, I call contract. Oh, I call Israel, and I call and our equipment be ready. He is a very dangerous human being. Nobody should work with this guy. He's a thief. His name is Kwesimre. Every single day, I will show his face. Kwesimre, this guy is a fraudster. Make Ghana for every single day until this guy goes to jail. Every single day, I will come and tell Ghanaians, San Kwasiade Oye, or bet me the pictures I bet you, oh, or no company, no NPP for cry Juma, they say on NDC for ye Juma, they say or no, or Ghana military Juma, or computers, or machines, or bois. And anyone be able to on nam. Say, or any power in a nam, Sandy Panusia Cromfort. That is what he does in Accra. The office is around ANC Mall. Baby, let him understand that Kevin Taylor says you are a thief. And that he has stolen a lot of things from people. Remember, Obia Emasa Brante with chance money by the company home. Remember the chance money by Ufie. Remember the chance money raw office. And I'm telling all the government agencies, their respective CEOs, nobody should allow this guy in their premises. MP before they use, he comes to offices, he records people. Of Frau, no, I recorded. Or Row office, no, I recorded Yamaho. Then he takes it out there. He's a dangerous guy. His name is Kwesimre. A very crazy criminal. Until he goes out there and makes sure Oma would dupe with for them to clarify. Say, we sanyo because oya chrome 4, that is what he does for a living. Over to me, oh, me a TVB, oh, me a TV application, oh, me a survey system, oh, me a machines, me a obwa, obeju sika, obejane. So nobody give this guy any room in their office. Ghana government, nobody should allow this guy close. Ora offices are no record it, no tieti in some, na orianko fosika. That is what he does. He has no specific job. Ghana, FDA forces say, stay away from turkey tail trophy. It's been banned in Ghana since 1999 due to its high fat content. It poses a serious health risk. Nancy am about Ghana, you trophy. Yeah, town trophy or Ghana. Nancy am about Ghana. Trophy be a McQuadji berry, and you could now trophy the banner what you try, Jack. Missing baby, I don't pay, oh, some trophy on the buy, Jack. A chinchingamu crap so. FDA for says say na mo can say 1999 and I abandoned trophy for Ghana any because me ba Ghana and saying trophy be my barrier no and say no na say ego ye no inti asem we there FDA for some person stop trophy for na Monstantin free another pre constituency suhum another pre na akwaji loan wakwa wie sika no so wachecha mamba so mo fanchi trophy another pre na ekun ko for Ghana. Because the last time another pre air campaign no okache Ghana for say wa man ma sika so monchi trophy wo kwan ho enti FDA for mo po bi a che na ya another pre because uko sum aduejire o se de ndien na wakwa wie sika no mo 100 Ghana na wato angwa gallon am so omo fanchi trophy eku Ghana for another pre is a criminal or kan obi na nkofo owu enti FDA for yasremo sa education we there mama inking come because me and say me ba Ghana me be 10 days. Trophy am we no. Trophy. Spin test road dey be o. Momo location no. Nsawam, Nsawam. Another mpre. A man of the trophy ni o mo 100 Ghana and o mo hye ne kala. Another mpre. And edi san kwasi ade no won Nsawam na me ba be kire mo FD me be kire mo trophy joint ni nyina wo Ghana. In fact me ukọ sphincters abi wo ho and amonchi another mpre and jowulu also ye chi trophy wo ho FD bodwuma ba ade be kire na monchi kire san kofo ya adwuma bi am no medi because me to bi wo ho area me to trophy na me ka kire no sphincters Kanesi Aflao road no so omoton trophy wo ho tantra hill ho mo omoton trophy a nice papa tantra hill omoton trophy wo ho Winneba junction wa akwaji ye friend say afenyom marking Winneba junction omoton trophy wo ho FDA mo trophy location me church mo trophy location Pong barrier wa koso nwumbre me no ka say pong barrier ho koso baby to say pig farm any crop there e di ne kire pig and turkey farm there akura ba kire we be ton trophy na your adome bridge over fa bridge ni so a right ho ye ton trophy ho jobi fo be dwabe Kumasi Ashtown and the jay hoda ma onyini wasafo Ashtown so yesi trophy pa obekọ na mmemme omafuna hye e de se e de otwi bi to ho ni nyina ye trophy Ashtown so wi trophy La Paz who drew traffic light on left ho kwami na pai fa mfimfim na okopie ho omoton trophy ho FDA me the location ni mamo we jagba we market omoton trophy ho din Atimpoku trophy nti omo ma no mo no omonum ni sikasem Atimpoku trophy nti ehom ma omonum sikasem enso mundu akra na play the two Atimpoku ya ton trophy omo ma no ubuso ma say ena ma misika ena mwaye trophy nti omo ma no mu de e Atimpoku trophy nti omo ba nkra na play the two Atimpoku so ton trophy ho Osu night mag osu gabibio trophy discriminate cover mix with fried fish a kenke, bibio, top, a trophy, a keep under a closet, eh? Say, a gabibio, night market osunye, a trophy, a fried, a cover net, a minke fried fish, a place on trophy, a disguisement, near tankpa, a dummy, a FDA, imba, night market osunye, a mislocates trophy, gamashie. Me love ubo. Me love ubo. Me trouble disguisement strategy. After frying trophy, discreet. Sabolai denche. Cover sabolai. They make a chen can for much trophy. I won't fa enchina montoso. Muchi chofini wia momfa nchina montoto so sene be FDA for ba mu na mo amwo eye adaka wa ase momfa chofini hihya adaka nim mo de me dom nti moto chofi kra mfa me kan for me filimu nti kan for no de FDA for mo ni nye nti muchi chofini na mo de na tegusu na mo de enam no fish na toto so na ma shara de dokoro tutu bi na ma wo yi dokoro ho no na mo de we guso nti mo ba mu hu se chofi hya ase outside gentility home cry into move for trophy in Shasia because Osu market the trophy here into Mudia Domuntina Memo Town, New Town, Accra New Town. In Canfor, me Domuntina Mam guidelines no, Muslim likes Bassa, me feel Muslim person feel me. It in Canfor, Macachamo, a night market, Mimba, FDA, a Monday morning, a attack. A trophy, bolebo, the other donor, other anene hono, the anwa a fried oil, a senya breku, almost to trophy for so gako pe anwana fono. FDA, we want to mean yahoshi. It's more than one kind of trim, any edian, Monfa respect Maga was so weird as Munyairi. Now, Bayan was say it was banned in 1999. There, I don't know Bianchiro. FDA for Monko church to church, Sunday software preacher, so we are from FDA. Yet him side and Wontumi Jai, but implications so no movie be one kind of affair. Now make us say money about Kuchofi would the end of Juman because Wontumi stop Chofi. Only Jar can stop Chofi. Go for Radio Jackson Park. All right, me and Quedim. Now under NDC, Abanwe, Mumen share the positives are Sebio Radio for no MPC Omobeka Ama Ghana for Ati. These are some of the positives and real news no ho. Now there you say I'm for him say aban eye dwuma pa nti omje so betuma distract Kevin Taylor na sebio omo real news no nipa nti now aban we ebo dwuma the government is really working, the president is working, the vice president, all agencies are putting in work, they are all showing say omo person omo boa no mchechire my way some good news aba bebre sebio media no be pay attention to the good news no na omo ejimi nti omje so omo distract me me ka che mo 2024 me say I will be the firewall around your Mahama. 99% of more opposition for NPP for you will see me as the president. Me catch them auntie. Me catch them in opposition say I will be the firewall around John Mahama's government, and you people will see me as the president. When was the last time you people mentioned John Mahama's name? Me catch them to Musua etu mitrimana monte. Me catch them say power will be taken from the Ashanti region. The 2024 elections was going to be won from the Ashanti region. It was won from the Ashanti region. Mekacham say, after John Mahama wins, I will be the firewall. You people will see me in your eyes as the president. That is why today every single NPP person sees me as the president because I knew what I was doing. And from now to the next 42 years, when this space, you will see me as the president of Ghana because my issue will be your issue. And Debia Makachem, I control the party. Your party, the bile of the partner, I decide how the NPP directs its course. And I have told you, for 42 years, you will stay in opposition. And into the end, hardly do you hear NPP even talking about John Mahama, but it is Kevin Taylor. Because the NPP thinks to say, if they're able to distract me, wouldn't they distract me? Nobody can distract me. And most time, you are wasting your time. My focus is to keep the NPP in opposition for 42 years. And nothing can distract me. Nothing. But I've told you people, power sasa, I will be your president, the NPP. And I am your president. You people, in your brains, in your hearts, no, Kevin Taylor and I am a president. And you can't do anything about it. Because onyamenaka. And I saw it before power left you guys. And I'll keep you where you are. Now, aban we eye juma. Time MPP, sorry. Now, when you see this, Ghana's public debt fell by 85.7 billion in 2025, dropping from 726.7 billion to 641 billion. This represents an 11.8% reduction. So I'm for PZ for Mami Chechi Wemu. Eka ba umia eja to ho obi also a economist. Eka omuja to ho a NDC ba power na eye over eye bibia ye freedom. Eye 726.7 billion. MPP eka omuja to ho no ba umia ja to ho no MPP ja to ho. Na question is say na eka na omuja to ho no na omo expect say hwan na embetua. Na ekara mugya to wo no busa ho say so munim oman kekere a adentiro mugya ekapudio say to ho. But you know the good thing I do and say John Mahama and NDC ba power almost 1 year 5 months. Let me say it that way. Almost 1 year 5 months no. Ekana na yes 726.7 billion no. And in less than 2 years John Mahama ban at so about 641 billion. Meaning 85.7 billion John Mahama ban no etumi akonsaka no. Etiemfa say John Mahama is going to be in government for 4 years. Now omutumi the year bia eka 85 billion. In 4 years na John Mahama eka saying, and the probability of John Mahama every year fighting Ghana's debt more than 85.7 billion is high. Meaning they can fight it to about 95 billion a year. Into 4 years no say John Mahama NDC abano finance minister no and Bank of Ghana have been able to manage our economy well. In this whole study 11.8% reduction and a car na a diasono abafom under John Mahama, under Atoforsen, under the Bank of Ghana's management, under the leadership of Ghana, from the Ghana Revenue Authority all the way to the various ministries. Omuye Juma, MPA, TOR, BOST. All these people are working to make sure say a Keda Ghana so the Swati. We were led by an economist, Sebio or Sisesiado Titi Bochain, Titi. Mahmoud Baumia is a table tennis economist. And the Adebechi, na Odin Kwasiasam, a Jumantia to Abamano for the past 8 years. Went to Manye. It is a woman where it should give you some assurance. Anna Matisse, in Kwasiafobiti radio, so, yes, you know, ding, yes, but Kwasia Konwa. Yes, we read a journalist, or journalist, for we read a TV presenters, a radio presenters. Yes, yes, the lack of form, as you know, boy, ding, or Ochin or free Oti Ekufuado Abemo na dollar nam 17 to 18. Na dollar no and I'm 17 to 18. Go and ask investors. O kwasi am paying o just a month. O bagasa nyoma mo aden. Obi ana otua e-levy. Education workers bear 60k e-levy are not spending about 60 million a month for each e-levy charges ko okasa nyoma mo aden kwasia. And those people are not paying 60 million in levies. E-levy ye twam. Odo to kan country radio say nyama boy yesi dollar ba from nyama boy or chin what you saying what you saying baby out here radio no why $2 an hour o man nyama ekoyie wo na nyama munya din eye ma wa ayaya ma nipa bi now mama show the reality no so wo hwe eye table na 2017 na eka edaho eda Ghana so na ye 142.5 billion. 2018, Ekufuado emuvuko 173.1 billion. Obeto eka 142.5 billion. And now 2018, Ekufuado muvu ekanoko 173.1 billion. 2019, Baumia muvu from 173 to 218.2 billion. They are said here. 2020, Mahmoud Baumia a movie from 218 at the Ghana Kanako 291.6 billion. 2021, Omu Jampe a Kano from 291.6 billion all the way to 351.8 billion. Baumia na a Kano Yenyani say Ishira. 2022, a Kano Jampe from 351.8 billion to 467.4 billion. Ninyano munkreti juma. Ninyina na inflation. Ninyina na dollar rate. Ninyina na bibia eko negative. No mun see one school, one hospital, one regional hospital, one clinic. Omunya kwine. You see how na ekano many 2023 a jumping from 467.4 billion. E could do 610 billion. Nanadu dankwe kufuado. Still, na onsi hospital. Baomia na onsi clinic. Na onye kwine. Na onye nsio. Na ontumi nye bibia ebeboa ekromu ma. The table tennis economist, Baomia, he was telling us, say, he has all the knowledge. Omuvu debt from 2017 to 2023 from 142 to 610. 2024, they moved the debt from 400 in 2023, 610 billion. Ombo free power no na eka edawo 726.7 billion. $2024 free power no na omoja eka 726.7 billion. Omotam no 2017 142 billion no. From 2017 to 2024 no mun see school free SHS omka so see 350 no mun see bako. No mun see one hospital wa Ghana. No mun one bridge. Now at the end of the day, omun to me and see one factory from scratch. At the end of the day, omun to me see one university. At the end of the day, in Kofowe, and to me create a Juma Mobia, Napko Gu. One district, one factory, near who factory baby. One constituency per 1 million per constituency, obvious kebia. But they moved the money, accounted from 142 in 2017 to 2024, 726.7 billion. Busa Bawumia, somebody sikane ye ding. Samira Bawumia kwa siampenyi, na oshentuma, almost $10,000 a week in Toma. Na ne yere na odi ne chino the second wife Samira no na otumi fran toma $10,000 kwasiafo yentam to me mamu ma oti se bongris odinam Ghana na kwasiasam and the titi na obo na what na se nya oden. Now in 2025 John Dramani Mahama about power NDC about power no they moved the debt from 726.7 billion. Just a year they have moved it to 640 billion. And then I say 2026, every 640 to 641. So we check here, see the rate at which NDC bar power almost minimize the debt there. So. And according to Ghana, while bon, your church to mana. No, I don't film say the Ochiboko. Yugoslavia, I'll digitize free SHS food, I'll do this. Now, no win, said your pants, so I can't tomra. Now, it's Ghana, not comedians way. These comedians who just read books and recite them. This economic junkies. This baldish, true and poor, economists. This dramatic, imperious, batful creatures. High creatures. And they sit in Ghana, tell us, say, they are digitizing Ghana. Digitalized people. And all these comedians are parading with masqueradious faces. Incumbently disgusting autonomy. And they walk around with disguised or Bangladesh kind of economist. A Bangladesh kind of economist with Barbados mustache. Unprecedented, caricatures, tabutenistic play. Jokingly, useless. Telling us say he wants to be president. How? Akwa wedie. Wa bonga. Mihunu sunipa. What is Baumia? What is Baumia? Is it a verb or an adjective? What is Baumia? And you people are disturbing us. Baumia is a noun. What is Baumia? Tell me, what is Baumia? It's your work, NPP for come and define Baumia. What is Baumia? Is it a thing, a place, or an atmosphere? What is Baumia? What is Baumia? A Bangladesh economist, a comediantic, non-furious, cinematic junkie nomenclature parading and disassociating and misassociating and associating with incompoons disguised as human nomenclatures or sophagotic candidates, candidly, unexpectedly, dangerously fallacious creatures. What is about me? Jesus Christ, President of the Republic, the signature to Asie. President Mahama assents to legal education reform bill. Ejano enya abedu. President Mahama and the yantro entrance exams biem ewo Ghana ewo Makola and the abine say access to legal education I was say easy. People should be able to access it wherever you are in Ghana. Inti ende abino say enye bebi ba ko pe ene nyina be free aba abetro exams ana aba say betro entrance exams ewo Accra. And the schools are you be accredit omu nyina say omu betuma kire law ewo ho no you betuma kire exams so ho said you tumi kire wayek ewo bebia o Ghana no ye ba be ne say schools obenya sa accreditation no aban be hu say sebio omu de omu facility no ene nyoma e kire say omu betuma akire law am akire exams so ho no schools dodo no enso e ba be go through the process why you be you ana omu be qualify no e ho ena obetumi so akọ law school now akọ den akọ kire exams so ho inti ende John Mahama de nsa e shekrata ase we eye sebio e bosha o she Ghana for say dodo person ye law nanso nipa bi ahajake ade efe no law no e won kran ama eye makola nko na nipa titiri bi ene sebio akronfo bi won kran ayo mo ho say ye dey lawyers ye dey judges ye dey nim system no ye hu nipa nko na be ko John Mahama say ene ye bebiem ema enisa otu kwan ko Gambia ana abrochire ana ebetena nkran say obeso ko law school ene ye bebiem ama schools dodo no etumi ama nipa bebre ho kwan mo so akoye law atro omo exams na omo be lawyers wo Ghana. John Mahama and Sasha Kratasi, Abayamra, the Attorney General, the necessary agencies are putting everything together to make sure say about legal education are accessible to every single Ghanaian. And the CNA at the Flagstaff House.
Regulate legal education and ensure the highest standards in terms of legal education, but also to open up the space, for more opportunity for legal education in Ghana. This particular act has been one that many aspiring lawyers have been looking up to. So it's been signed. Regulate legal education and ensure the highest standards in terms of legal education, but also to open up the space, for more opportunity for legal education in Ghana. This particular act has been one that many aspiring lawyers have been looking up to. So it's been signed.
Inti the Oshe President John Dramani Mahama or the Nsa Eshe Kratasi Abra Parliament Epase Emrase everything end there kwe Ghana uye mebunu ana uye young man uye young woman na person call law school and yes say bi ankran ko ana obitima call law school makola dabi ende schools bebre benya akwanya no and yes school bia na betumi ama enya sa akwanya no but aban no behwe schools a ejina omo na so a omo de efata ene esese omo kire sa law no now also to be called into Ashanti region, Eastern region, Northern region, Central region, any part of the country. Ebia a tertiary institution be a benwa ababe who say they are worth a year given that accreditation to also teach and write a law exams or honor. Ebia almost ebenya that opportunity no into when what we call a inclusive governance. Obia here some here by no. Adewe don't underestimate it. For years, yenya nipa bi Ghana na omo create impression say omo nkwa na won kwan so law school. Omo nkwa na won kwan so mba enkran ebe law. Oya awofo se bi oya Ghana ni na wo hweme na opese oba no be lawyer and so ti kumase mema oyemu hihyew. aban NDC aban John Mahama aban and the omo de emra abade omo nsa hyase president de nsa hyase NDC aban de nsa hyase say baby a wo Ghana bia no oso betumenya law school akọ na wa chro exams so baby a obeko school na se ne enkora tumi ko school baby a wo Ghana etumi chro wayek exams o baby a de say BC e koso Inti John Mahama say, Memo Yamu Shisho, Obu was oh, Namikon cry, I feel Namiko high dying, I feel Namiko Tiawi, you see, I do Ashanti region. Na say, school be ho, I wait me see our law, actual exams are, we here say, Baby high dying one cry. Ubet Martina Kumase, no alcohol, no I dang, no Akosia dear, exams time do an aquatro. John Mahama buying a Ghana football, now a bino Eddie a bonus. So, and this is what we call a government that is working for the people. They be catch Ghana for say NPP for no Jimmy. The NDC for ye more time. Sabio a buying nipa bi more mistakes. Nipa bi more many some ye. But when you see Senior John Mahama buying way, omo ye nyoma shisha nyoma na, you can see a clear distinction between a buying way in kwasiafo by NPP abino. You can see they have a clear mission, a clear target. They are focused on things that they promised the Ghanaian. They might not be able to fulfill everything in their first 4 years, but you can see, say, it is showing, say, the willingness is there to work for you. Abino just say, you can see, say, ahokakano ho, akumapano ho, oma jatum, oma mistakes are omujitum, and at the omash a bomb share so omu diso. It when you are so Emma abintina edian, abimuche, when you are so Edicas, when we dear, you know, teacher, Sebio upon all their mistakes, no, or their shortfalls, no, they are making sure the greater good, the greater things they said they would do, no, they are doing. There's never been a perfect government on this planet, but there's a government to be about who's about way born humoding, and that is what we are seeing in this government. The government is willing to work. The will is there. The zeal is there. They are ready to serve. It do sometimes thing, but you can see, say, it is not a government that disrespects the people. Where you are buying, where you are a party, nipa here some you here the Social Democratic Party. And you do the NDC bar. It is always about Eddie Ghana ni we hear some we hear dear Diabema Obra Koso. And internet La General Hospital Kufuado Neba Umia, the table tennis economist Ebebugu, you know, John Mahama Bino through the health ministry, you know, they are building it. And that is what this government or this party money different from a Yanum party, a NPP, you know. These people come into power, they try to leave a legacy. They try to leave something behind that the people will benefit from. And not their friend are buying. Nanyase enkwasiafo bibaba na omoma akofa wi fo so mometonyum ewo eden Flagstaff House. Omo yirenom, omo priority nyase omo befu plane. E de akọ India, any kunkum baja jantra for akodi nkomo na mo beka ma no ne omoto abenante Ghana ha. That is not a political party. That is a cluster of foolish people with distract ambition. This is not called a party that can save the people. It's a group of limited liability fools who have come together in the name of tribe. They have come together in the name of jealousy. They have come together in the name of foolishness and idiocy to form a party. But we are looking at the NDC that is working for the people, and you can see it clearly. They are really working. They are serving the people. And any idea will say, any focus. So this is a new beginning. Oh, yeah, young man, senior high school, law. This is the time. I also tell you, John Mahama, Eddie, law na brew fee. Or the lawyer now person or the brow constituency or the brow region. Or say today, you don't even have to think about going to Accra. Or say, baby, I want tertiary institution near accredit your man. You also have the right to go there, learn, write your exams, and pass out as a lawyer. It is very, very important. Sadi we mami Diagro, one big achievement under John Mahama's administration. The NDC almost send your mind. Now how there? And yeah. Mahama cares. Na Mahama cares no John Mahama afutuo odia ba sebio Ghana for nipa odano ne friend no obobia dako. Now Mahama cares no futuo bia Mahama dia ba sebio nipa etitiru injumaku etitiru Ghana for ordinary people are omo ehun se awo se yedi sika bi to fotuom na yare bia kwankro a sebio yentumi enso ano no yenuanim ana ye nipa bi ana ye hu nipa bi ne ho ka saa foto de betumi yi sika wom eden ahwe nipa no na saa foto no eboa minim nipa ba mienu a the Mahama case no surgery o ma ya over $30,000 a omo Ghana for a civil servant a saa Mahama case we save omo nti I don't underestimate the worker the Mahama case no omo ye. Now Mahama case doesn't fund overseas medical treatment. Now I don't go for say, oh, Mahama Cares no, ye per se Arabia can ye ko India, ako say ho yare, Mahama Cares nintua, and the CEO of Mahama Cares, Obobia da kon eman clear. Eche Ghana for say, Mahama Cares no afutuo sa sika de da ho no, ye mfa nhwe Ghana for yare wa abruchiri. Yare bia yebetuma so ano wo Ghana no, eno na Mahama Cares no ehwe. Enti wenya yare bi na yebetuma operation no ana surgery no wo Ghana Mahama Cares no omudwumadi omo se sa eka na obetua no Ghana no omo betumi aboa mo wetua na sebio wenya yare bi na wo so hospital bi wo England ana America ana India obese okokosa ho yare a yenyi Mahama Cares sika no emfa ndi wechi nko India. The only place Mahama Cares sika no eye edwuma no eye Ghana. Enti say Arabia bo Ghana ni na sa Ghana ni no epe eyedien ayaresa wo Ghana na otro ekoma Mahama Care no odi mra no so processes nya smoother. Me say why not? Because I have people I know omo di mra no so etro legitimately to Mahama Care sa and them no omka say sebio omo enam Ghana omo ho atomo. Enti we are not supposed to underestimate jumadia Mahama Cares we eye. It's more my imagine say, oh, Mahama Cares, Okabrucha, so most can. That is not how it works. Now, Osaka send me, Obobiada Kasanda, or say, Mahama Cares invest 36 million Ghana cedis in specialist healthcare training. And sa fotuono, yabio sikaka kranom pese omodeboa na nipebia omobeshada esia yare bia yeseda enim hunimdie no ompese omu yi saa sika obi training eye Ghana nurse for ne doctor for bi emom nya hunimdie sene be ya surgery bia nkebakwa no England anase India ana any country bia yentumi nya ho adwuma Ghana no Mahama Cares foto sika we omoba be fa eye health personnel be na shada training omo on some specific or specialized eye dwumadie bi se na be ya yare ne bi bo bi a yanka se de nipa no ekọ ekuro bi so akosa na yare enti Mahama Cares no sika ne bi na edemu no ene na omo pese omo de omo yi 36 million Ghana cedis a omo de ba be training doctors and nurses be on some special things enti yare bi wo ha sebio ya doctors and nurses bi wo ha omo ni hu nimdie eno na Mahama Cares ne pese ye the sikani bi ebe train yomo sene be ya obi magina won ka say oh yare we abome ya fa me ko Canada nko sam yare because doctors no de Canada for nko netumi ye no omo identify yare bi a yentumi so anu bi o Ghana no na ya nya ho doctors omo nim ho de na yare de bo Ghana ni a na yetumi treat nipa no e o Ghana anything na say Owusa Mahama Cares no almost specialized clinics around the nation and they attach training hospitals and teaching hospitals sene be ya sa specialized treatment no Ghana no yebetumi nya doctors a ombetumi di dwuma no and obobi da akon ekasa omiti Ghana press no momienkotie no.
And then there's something that we keep getting. Many people want funding to go to India, to go to abroad to get treatment. Let me announce here and now, we do not support any funding out of the borders of this country. So if you see many people tagging us on Facebook and all other networks and asking us to support a patient who wants to take a trip to India to get further treatment, please count the Ghana Medical Trust Fund out. Because that money that we spend on one patient to go to India for a treatment, we can use that for about 20 patients in country. And then,
so it is clear. Mahama Cares for Namana clear. Yentumi entam sika emobi nko abruchi nko san ho yare. Say yare ne betuma sa ohanko ade a Ghana. Mahama Cares de dwumadie ni se omo be saw yare no e Ghana. Omo be boa wo ema wotua sa cost no. Now they are also trying to get specialized doctors yare bia yentumi san Ghana no omo betumi asa say they be most of yare nkete no yebetumi aso ano e Ghana na yanka say ye kwa abruchi because obo ha okasa aban ema ni sika kwa abruchi nko hwe no ho a sa sika na etumi hwe nipa 30 e Ghana. I don't think it's a good business. Inti respectfully no, I will say at this annual we are say sa a photo no a photo I de say yare e Ghana na nya abruchi.
Ghanaians must sentence that generation of thieves, that generation of robbers and looters to 40 years in the wilderness. Anybody that had anything to do with President Akufo-Addo Bawumia administration should be sentenced to 40 years political wilderness, right from the national level to the regional executives to the constituency. The NPP owes Ghana that, to clean up the whole system and allow a new breed of people who are selfless and who want to serve this country.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with. And they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with. And they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
Mr. P, Mr. S, please make the announcement. Say, Omo mubeti kufu asem no, ye wie kufu asem no, omo nko na nke nyansafo no, hai, munyina mo nko. Na nke nyansafo no, ne discuss Ghana ho nsem. Enti innwan na mo ba ha no, yesre mo, ye wie munyina mo nko na nke nyansafo na yemfa agro nhihye so. You are still live on Loud Silence TV.